Alrighty, 4.5 minutes to model this part. Couple of takeaways here. First off being this hole pattern and the circular pattern associated with those hole wizard features. So if you noticed, I had an issue where this hole wasn't crossing into the bottom tabs on the circular pattern feature. And there's two ways to solve it. One of them was the way that I just solved it in the first blind attempt, where I just moved the feature after the circular pattern and removed it from the pattern itself, then picked up the other three concentric relationships. The other way to do it is what I missed out the first time, is instead of just grabbing the mirrored feature and the counterboard hole, which the preview actually shows, hey, everything looks good there. If I go to the full preview, actually it doesn't, but the partial preview says, hey, yeah, you're going to be fine. You're going to have a hole all the way through. All I need to do is pick up this boss extrude as well. And from there, that allows me to have that hole all the way through. It resolves the pattern on the counterbore fully. Other than that, I probably didn't have to do a revolve for this first feature. I was just initially looking at the print and I saw, okay, from this view it looks like there's going to be a thin wall feature. Okay, cool, might as well just do a revolve real quick in case I pick up anything else that needs to be revolved, but this time it was pretty simple. The other way to do it would just be to do a boss extrude, either with both circles included, or if we had a wall thickness rather than a diameter, I could do a thin wall extrude. Overall, pretty straightforward. The second time around, I'm going to probably follow the exact same process. It'll be pretty straightforward. The other thing that I could do is I could model in this counterbore and this revolve, or this hole feature here within the same sketch rather than using a hole wizard feature for it. So with that, let's give it a shot, see if we can clean this model up, maybe do an extrude for the initial base, and then not mess up on that circular pattern.